a lot of countries have an interest in dealing with terrorism. Imagine 9/11 happened in the United States. It was an act of international terrorism. And America took action and finally got Osama bin Laden from Pakistan, right? So all the countries are now recognizing that there is a problem, and one of the countries which is creating that problem is Pakistan. And so Operation Sindoor actually, its intention was to hit at the centers of terrorism within Pakistan. Not to start a war, not to fight the Pakistan army, but to send a message to the terrorists. And so the action which was taken was to hit at the headquarters of the terrorist organizations like the Lashkar-e-Toiba, the Jaish-e-Mohammed, and also at the terrorist pads across the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, from where Pakistan's terrorists were coming into India. So these were the areas which were, with pinpoint accuracy, they were attacked, and much destruction took place in the first round of the attacks. They're already abroad now, talking to the senior leaders of the countries of the world. They have gone to all parts of the world, and they're explaining India's stand, because they need to understand what India has done and to appreciate what India has done and to extend the cooperation, because we want the terrorists who are coming from Pakistan, based in Pakistan, supported by the authorities in Pakistan, they have to be isolated and they have to be punished. And the UN has a role, and all the important countries of the world have its role.